Hello, I'm Shantanu Vairagade.
And I am Nandini. We are third year engineering physics BTech student at IIT Roorkee. Today we are here to study the characteristics of LDR apparatus. So let's take a look at our apparatus.
Now let's take a look at our apparatus. Here, as you can see, we have a voltmeter, which is represented here. We have an ammeter represented here, and here is the most important thing of this apparatus, the light dependent resistor, also known as LDR. And this is our input source, which we can vary with the help of this knob. So now let's take a look at the connections. First we will connect the input source, which is connected which we can control with the help of the knob, to the main circuit. Now we will connect the voltmeter. Now we will connect the ammeter. It's a pretty simple circuit which we can connect even after
LDR stands for light dependent resistor, which is a photoresistor which shows variation in resistance on falling the intensity of light. So as the intensity of light increases, the resistance decreases and hence the current increases. Our LDR is made of cadmium sulfide material, which is a semiconductor which shows photoconductive effect and is highly sensitive to light. We are done with our apparatus. Let's start with our discussion. Power source. So as we can see, as I am varying the voltage here, there is still no change in the emitter circuit. There is no current which can be detected by our emitter in the LDR circuit. So still no change. Our emitter is unable to detect what is the current in the circuit. So let's see what happens if I shine light on this LDR. Now we can observe current. As I am changing the distance between the light source and my LDR, the current is getting changed. Let's take a reading of what happens to the current in the circuit when I am varying the distance. Let's fix our voltage at 1 volt. Let's take readings now. So let's shine light at 30 centimeters. It is coming around 0.08 milliamperes. Let's note down at 25 centimeters now. It is around 0.12 0.11 milliamperes. Now let's see at 20 centimeters. .14 milliamperes. Let's see at 15 centimeters now. .19 milliamperes. Let's see at 10 centimeters now. 0.25. Let's take a reading at 5 centimeters now. It's coming out to be 0.33 milliamperes. Now we will be calculating R, which is V upon I. Our voltage was 1 volt. So we'll calculate this and then we'll get the relation what is 1 upon R square, and then using these readings we'll plot a curve for our resistance 1 upon r square and intensity, which is in the form of distance, which we were measuring here. So we'll plot a graph for that.
Now let's take a look at the working principle of LDR. The behavior of LDR is related to the concept of energy band gap in the semiconductors and the principle of photoconductivity. It is nothing but when the light falls on the surface, the material's conductivity reduces. And also the electron in the valence band of the device are excited to the conduction band. These photons in the incident light must have an energy greater than the band gap of the semiconductor. This makes the electron to jump from valence band to conduction band and bridge the band gap. This process increases the number of charge carrier in the material, leading to the decrease in resistance. These are the readings we took while performing the experiment. And this is the graph we get after plotting the resistance and the intensity, which is inversely proportional to the distance square. This graph tells us that the resistance is inversely decreasing with intensity. Hope you understood how to perform the experiment and the working principle of LDR. Thanks for watching.